about running the marathon. Well, I'm also a marathon runner. So I said there's some other connection. And finally, the last lady, Shakti, who was the film director, Chandra, where did she study? At the Film Institute in Pune, where Chandra and I both studied. So there were three very, very deep connections with me. So as I read this book, I said, maybe there's some other layer in this that I was unaware of. And she's not chosen me to read this book just because I connect, but there's some other deeper connection. तो मुझे हल्का सा डर भी लगने लगा, खासकर मसूरी में. Chandra, she's talking about Char Dukan, where we had omelets and tea at the time of the wedding. She's writing about that. I mean, Landaur is the smallest part of Mussoorie, and Char Dukan is the smallest part of Landaur. और इनका सपना क्या है? To open a bookshop in Landaur with a cafe attached to it. This is not an incognito dream, this is a real dream of Lata's.
Thank you.
So this book has got so many layers to it, it's just amazing.
Just seems that it's been following you, probably the story.
Absolutely.
No adaptation from yours, I hope.
Absolutely, sir.
Thank you so much. And we've gone through this character sketch of the book, but of course I'm firstly going to offer it to the table. Something that probably Satya or Tom would like to know about the work, and if you have got a question to pose, then I'm going to offer that first to you to just find out more about the work, if in case something that you'd like to ask the author.
I actually have all the answers. But anyway, for the benefit of the audience, how long did it take you to write the book, Lata?
I took close to 8 months. 8 months to write the book. Yeah.
Tom, anything that you would like to...
Yeah, I don't want to give away the climax. By the way, we did not reach the climax. The climax of the story is after where we reached, so we've not given away what happens. But as I was reading it, I thought, oh gosh, this book is going to have a very grim and sad end to it. I can just give you this much of a hint that the ending is not grim and sad. And this for me was the real beauty of it, that in the end, as you said, you gave hope. Now that's something you believe in personally also, that there is hope for these torments of the mind and soul which affect all of us at some level.
Absolutely, Tom. I always believe that there is hope for everybody in whatever situation they are. There is hope. As long as we keep looking towards hope, I think we can always come out of situations. That's my personal belief.
Fantastic.
Lata, professionally onto behavioral therapy. So is there something that dawned upon you at some point in time and said, okay, now it's time to me to pen it down and put it through a book, probably with the blend of being entertaining as well as with a message? So when did it dawn upon you to start writing as a novel?
Sure. I do a lot of work in emotional intelligence, and I specifically work with a lot of women, emotionally battered women. So I have met a lot of women in my life who've gone through unrequited love, unfulfilled aspirations, and also women who are out of touch with their own self. The self-ideal and the projected self, there's a huge gap. So that has always been working on my mind, and that was the seed for the book.
I offer it to the house. So in case any of you got a few questions to ask, we'll try to accommodate just as many as we can. Kindly raise your hand and we'll float the mic around. Any question from the audience? Can you give us your name and pose the question?
Hi, my name is Sharon.
Hi, Sharon.
Hi. I want to know, is there going to be a sequel?
No, as of now, no. But maybe if something comes to my mind, I may. But it's okay. I don't think I've thought of a sequel as yet. But I am working on 2 other books simultaneously, very different from this genre. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed about them too.
Thanks.
Thanks.
I wanted to ask a question because I've got a little bit of inside dope on this. The title, Incognito, which is, to me is a fantastic title, but this was not the original title that you wanted. Just tell us a little bit about the development of this title.
Yes. I had suggested this title, Incognito, with a number of other options. But my editor, Mr. Oswald Pereira, he's a very, very seasoned editor. I thought probably, Incognito may not appeal to everybody, all readers, the entire reader profile that we have here. So I thought something more racy, more catchy, but he dashed down every other option and
What
said...
were some of the other options you had in mind?
One too many, or different strokes, and I had a lot of other options, but he said no, we'll keep it as Incognito because it's very compelling and it's intriguing, he said. So I went with the editor, and I think I've made the right decision.
Lata, I have this question about, it's about curiosity. How did you manage to dramatize the whole intellectual value of all the reports and reviews that you have collected through the years, and then finally dramatize? So that element and art of yours, to get it dramatized into a book, how easy was that?
As I told you initially, I've been always writing. You know, I write. I mean, any small thing I see, I like to string it into words and write. And I always wanted to work on a novel. It was a dream since my college days. And so I knew that before my time in this world is over, I will definitely write a book. I knew that, and I did it.
So all the best with that. I'm sure there could be many of you who would have your questions but would like to catch up one-to-one with the author. On that note, on behalf of Crossword, I'd like to take this opportunity in a very special way to thank our very special guest here along with the author. Tom, thank you so much for always delighting us like you always do. Satya Saran, thank you so much for gracing the occasion. And of course, all the very best as we say congratulations to Lata. Congratulations as we have launched Incognito, to the publishers, to the book. Lead Star, thank you so much for making the event possible. Members of the media, it's been a pleasure to have you to share the evening with us. And finally, each one of you in the audience, without you, this evening would have been incomplete. Thank you for joining us. I now hand it over to the author for the signing of the book. So those of you who would like to have your copy signed, you can join us at the table.
Thank you so much.
मला बुक लेजी ना हे थांब जरा चेअर घेऊ तिकडे मी
How do I spell your name?
CHA
भाई थोड़ा सा आप लोग साइड देंगे थोड़ा उधर चलेंगे
DER
हिंदी में
इस एहसास को कितनी आसानी और कितनी मुश्किलों से आपने पूरा है
काफ़ी मुश्किल था बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग नॉवल और इसमें पूरा इमोशंस प्रेजेंट करना इट्स अ चैलेंज बट आई थरली एंजॉयड बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे ये लिखने में एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट वुमेन विल एंजॉय रीडिंग इट इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल बुक फॉर वुमेन इवन फॉर मेन बिकॉज ये ज़िंदगी के बारे में है और मेरी जो हीरोइन है ये कैन बी एनीबडी आप हो सकते हैं मैं हो सकती हूँ किसी के लिए भी ये इट्स रेलेवेंट टू एनीबडी
कितना वक्त लगा इस बुक को लॉन्च होने में कितनी मेहनत लगी आपको
लिखने में 8 महीने लगे और लॉन्च होने में और 6-7 महीने लग गए आई थिंक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट नाउ 1.5 years
जिस तरह से लाइन फॉर्मेटर से बोल रहे थे इमोशन के साथ तो किस तरह का फील हो रहा था कि मेहनत सफल हुई
वाओ दैट वाज अ ग्रेट फीलिंग मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मेरा बुक का थिएट्रिकल अडेप्टेशन इतना अच्छा सा होगा नाउ ही इज़ गिवन मी एन आइडिया एंड अगर सब लोग पढ़ते समय ऐसे ही पढ़े इमोशन के साथ देन आई एम श्योर माई बुक इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ बेस्ट सेलर
फर्स्ट थॉट कब आया कि मैं इसे उतार दूँ लोगों के जहन में
आई थिंक अबाउट 2 years ago 2 साल पहले मुझे ये आइडिया आया था कि पूरा स्टोरी मेरे दिमाग में आ गया था प्लॉट फिर मैंने बैठ के लिखा उसको ड्राफ्ट लिखा फिर रिवाइज्ड फिर एडिटेड वर्जन एंड देन आई एम हैप्पी विद द प्रोडक्ट
ये कलम आपकी कहाँ जाकर
दैट वाज डिफ़िकल्ट कहाँ पे स्टोरी ख़त्म करूँ दैट वाज रियली डिफ़िकल्ट बट आई हैड वेल विशर्स माय फैमिली इज़ माय फर्स्ट क्रिटिक मेरे हस्बैंड और मेरे बेटे ने बहुत मुझे हेल्प किया इसमें वो लोग पढ़ रहे थे कहानी एंड दे वर गिविंग मी इनपुट्स नाउ द प्रोडक्ट इज़ आउट इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है तो सोच के चलते हैं हम वो लिख नहीं पाते लेकिन जब लिखना शुरू करते हैं तो सोच खुद ब खुद आगे बढ़ती है
बिल्कुल एंड आई थिंक इट्स बीन अ पैशन मुझे हमेशा लिखना था मैं कुछ ना कुछ लिखती ही रहती हूँ आई एम अ वेरी एक्टिव ब्लॉगर फिर आर्टिकल्स भी काफ़ी कुछ लिखती हूँ मैं जर्नलिस्ट थी रिपोर्टर थी फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम So लिखना तो is like a passion for me. मैं नहीं लिखूं तो ऐसा कभी मैं सोच नहीं सकती हूँ.
नॉवेल का सिलसिला जारी हो चुका है, तो कहाँ तक सफर दौरान सफर रहेगा?
Well, as long as God is with me and I'm able to write and my mind is able to churn out ideas, I will continue writing.
नेक्स्ट लाइनअप क्या रहेगा मैम इसकी?
I'm doing a compilation of short stories on real women that I have met. So it's a compilation of short stories. Second is again a fiction novel. So I'm on my way. कर रही हूँ.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So much.
How are you doing?
Great. I'm doing very well. It's a dream fulfilled for me.
Absolutely.
Oh my God, why all this? Thanks.
So that
Thanks.
the column doesn't stop, as they say.
Thank you so much.
Your autograph, please.
Sure, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much, Rajesh. I really appreciate you coming all the way.
Take care. See ya.
How's the family?
Good. We'll catch up. I'll be moving out of country.
Do I write your name? Yes, thanks for coming. Oh, thanks a lot. Lovely. Very nice. I'm so happy about it. How did you enjoy the amazing.
So, we require you to sign.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and the first one to build.
मेरा pen रह गया. Give me a pen.
Keep reading. We'll keep reading. I think Rajiv is now going to get inducted into
Reading.
book
My
reading.
first book to read actually. No, I never read.
Thanks for coming. Really appreciate it.
Long time. Any which way, I think it's been a nice occasion to catch up with you. Let's start. So we'll make a book. I think once you sign this, we'll catch up. Sure. नहीं, हेलो क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली डिस्टर्ब
Thanks, Raj. Thank you.
Congrats.
See you.
Thank you so much.
What about me?
Just a minute.
That sounded good, and then I decided to.
लेखक जो है कलम उठाता है या कलम लेखक उठाता है कभी बेझिझक के बेस
Thanks so much for coming here. I really appreciate it. This is cute. The book, the inspiration has been there for many years because I've been meeting a lot of women in my profession as a behavioral trainer, and I've been meeting women who are emotionally battered, women who have a lot of aspirations, but there are too many hurdles, and somewhere they just give up hope. So, and I must specify that it's not just about women. I've met a lot of men who have gone through certain experiences in life.
साइन कर